We know that there's going to be challenges with every project. Being a white glove service means helping clients know that it's going to happen, helping them anticipate that there are going to be some, and then when they do happen, being able to walk them through how we're taking care of it and moving forward with an empathetic and caring approach. At my favorite restaurant, we go as much as we can, and sometimes we're celebrating something big, and sometimes we're celebrating just having a babysitter. Sometimes the table's not ready when we thought it would be. They take care of us. They say, here's a glass of champagne. We're sorry about the wait. We'll take care of you. Because for them, if something doesn't go right, they're ready for it because it's not the first time that's happened. They know how to make sure that we feel cared for. And for our clients, we want them to feel that exact same thing. When something doesn't go according to plan, we want them to know that they're cared for, that we have a plan in place for that, and we're moving forward with that solution. We don't want them to ever feel like, table's not ready, sorry, we'll let you know what it is. We want them to feel like, I wish it was ready, but this is actually pretty nice too.